Hello everyone. Welcome to Elnaz channel. I'm so happy to see you again. Today, we're going to learn all the words we use in class in English. Are you ready? Let's say them together. Repeat after me, the first word.
Backpack. Backpack. Chair. Chair. Book. Book. Pencil. Pencil. Ruler. Ruler. Student. Textbook. Textbook. Pen. Pen. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. Blackboard. Blackboard. Sharpener. Sharpener. Pencil case. Pencil case. Eraser. Eraser. Colored pencils. Colored pencils. Calculator. Calculator. Crayons. Crayons. Notebook. Notebook. Classroom. Classroom. Globe. Globe. Map. Map. Highlighter. Highlighter. Paper. Paper. Clock. Clock. Trash can. Trash can. Glue. Glue. Marker. Marker. Bookcase. Bookcase. Desk. Desk. Window. Window. Door. Door.
Now it's exam time. Let's see if you remember the classroom words. Question 1. What is this? This is a backpack. Question 2. What is this? Yes, that's right. It's a pencil case. Question 3. What is this? These are books. Great job. Question 4. What is this? This is a pen. Question 5. What is this? This is a blackboard. Question 6. What is this? This is a pencil. Question 7. What is this? Yes, that's right. This is a desk. Question 8. What is this? This is a classroom. Great job, everyone.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating more fun lessons for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.